Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your leave request here in Zoho People. Alright, so first off, log into your Zoho People account. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to Leave Tracker. Alright, just click on it. And once you're in here, you can go ahead and check your type of leave right here. Okay, under upcoming leave and holidays. Alright, or you can go ahead over to Leave Request and just click on one of your requests. Okay, for example, this one right here. So just click on it. And once done, as you can see here at the very bottom or at the bottom left, you have the cancel leave button. Okay, so what you'll do is just click on it. And then once done, go ahead and type down the reason for cancellation. Okay, maybe you gotta change my mind. All right, and once done, just click on cancel. All right, as you can see here, it says leave canceled successfully. And when you go ahead and click on it one more time, as you can see here, it now got the cancelled logo. And when you click on view, it is now cancelled right here. And here's your reason. That is it. And when your manager or your admin checks it out, all right, and when we go ahead over to operations and leave request right here, as you can see, when we click on it, it will now say here cancelled. All right, and there you have it. That is how you cancel your leave request here in Zoho People. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.